Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome current stable version on RHEL 10, but the process is same on all RHEL versions. Okay, the default browser that comes with RHEL is Firefox. Open it, then go to Google or any search engine, search for download Chrome. Hit enter. Then click on the first link, that is the fast and secure web browser. Then click on download Chrome. Then for RHEL or Fedora or OpenSUSE or Alma Linux, then select this 64-bit.rpm package. Then click on accept and install. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is 113 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. CD downloads ls. We have to install this. Sudo rpm -ivh no deps. Then give Google, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, we are installing Google Chrome stable version 136. We have successfully installed Ctrl-A. Now go to applications. So applications. See here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it. See, if you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to select the checkbox. I don't want. And if you want to send automatically usage statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to select the checkbox. It is up to you. Click on OK. If you want to sign in, click on sign in. If you don't want, click on don't sign in. Got it. See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Now go to the terminal. These files are not required anymore, so remove it. rm Google, give the tab, hit enter. We have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome current stable version on RHEL 10. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.